How to learn Arabic if you're busy. If you believe you need hours of study every day, you're wrong. What you actually need is a smarter strategy, not more time. In this short video, I'll show you 5 strategies to learn Arabic effectively, even if you're incredibly busy. Let's jump right in. Strategy 1. The consistency rule. Your brain learns through consistency. Just 15 minutes a day is far more effective than 3 hours once a week. Dedicate only 15 minutes every single day. That consistent repetition is much more powerful than sporadic long sessions. Divide your 15 minutes like this. 5 minutes learning something new. 5 minutes practicing. 5 minutes repeating and speaking out loud. With this routine, you'll notice a big improvement in just 1 month. Strategy 2. Micro-learning integration in your dead time. We all have dead time, waiting for coffee, standing in line, or even washing dishes. This is your hidden learning opportunity. Here's what to do. Listen to a short Arabic podcast, a song, a cartoon, or even repeat simple phrases silently or out loud. Those tiny study moments really add up. Strategy 3. Vocabulary efficiency. Arabic offers a unique advantage that every learner should use: the root system. Learn words by their Arabic root, الجذر. When you learn one root, you unlock several related words instantly. Example: the root kaf, ta, ba. From it you get kitab, maktab, katib. This multiplies your vocabulary with minimal effort. Strategy 4. Use the copy and repeat method. This is one of the fastest ways to train your ear and improve pronunciation. Choose a short Arabic video, 10 to 20 seconds. Listen, copy the sentence, and repeat it out loud. This improves pronunciation, rhythm, and confidence fast, even if you only do it once per day. Strategy 5. Focus on the 80-20 rule. Don't spend hours on advanced information. Instead, apply the 80-20 rule. Master the core grammar and essential words that make up 80% of daily conversation. Focus only on what you actually need to speak in real life. You've taken the first step toward learning Arabic, even with a busy schedule. Start small, stay consistent, and you'll see real progress. See you in the next video.
Expand your Arabic skills with your free AlifBee app trial today. It's packed with interactive lessons, stories, vocabulary lists, quizzes, and exercises to boost all your skill levels. Start your journey now. Click the link in the description below to get your free trial before it's gone. AlifBee.app/free14. AlifBee. Learn Arabic the smart way.